Nigeria, Malaysia, and I love Decepticonivity. So welcome back to the channel that don't make no doggone sense. We're about to do something silly. We're gonna do something silly because would I be me if I didn't do something silly on my channel? I am back with the conquering series. I am back with the mastering series. Last time I did it, you guys loved when I tried the wet look. Listen, I loved your responses. I couldn't tell if it was a fail or not a fail based on responses. Some people liked it. Some people were like, you should have done this, you should have done that. So I'm back trying something else. There's another internet trend, there's another YouTube trend, and this one is permed edges. People perming their edges. The edges, yep, I know what you're thinking. You mean the edges that already packed up and left last year and the year before that? Yeah, those ones. They came back to the residence just temporarily so that I could perm them, because this is what we're doing now. Who am I? Who am I to stand in the way of my edges happiness? Who am I to stand in the way of internet trends? So I'm gonna do it. When I look like Beyonce, when I look like Kelly Rowland, when I look like Naomi Campbell, when I look like, I can't think of anyone else. When I look like all of them, don't at me. Don't at me. Okay, we're here and I got the glove on and I already put the base and stuff on my edges. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, cool. I have my mirror here. Listen, if my edges fall off, all of you guys on YouTube, bro, you have to pay me. I'm gonna need some money to get some edges back installed because there's a bit on there. Okay, cool. We're gonna do bits. We're gonna do bits. All of this here is technically not full-grown hair. Like, look at this. They're all edges. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. But wait though. Slick up. Slick Rick has nothing on me, honey. Yo, my edges burning off might all be worth it, bro. Like, my edges burning off right now might all be worth it just for this 2 seconds of slick rickiosity. Listen. There's something about being a Decepticon. There's something about being a Decepticon that I am drawn to. Nigeria, Brazil, Nigeria, Philippines, Nigeria, Malaysia, and I love Decepticonivity. Listen, I love it. I'm here for it all. Period.
Nothing else to say, like, period.
I'm mad at you. Like, I'm actually mad at you. I'm upset. 50,000 on my head to disrespect. I started off this video saying that my edges packed up and left. My edges packed up and left. It was the Great Migration. I'm upset. I'm upset because I think you subscribe to this channel because you think I'm a dummy. You think I'm an idiot. You think I'm a clown. Sis, it was not about to perm her edges, okay? That was just some cream. Because edges can always use some cream. And that's all. Period. So for those of you guys that wanted to see me F up my life, F up my future, F up the future of all my descendants and all my family, good for you. Keep on watching because I just might still do that. So yes, I am not gonna perm my hair because one, first and foremostly, that is first, the first shall be last. Do I look like a stupid scallywag? Do I look like a senseless scallywag? The answer is no. No. Who said that?
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh?
Where are the edges? Those of you guys that follow me, that's been subscribed. What's up? Those of you guys that are new, please subscribe because we have fun over here. Like all the older people, tell the new people wagwan. Tell the new people wagwan. Because we're having fun here. But yes, you guys that have been here, you know I don't have that. The proof he's Hindi pudding. The proof he's Hindi blood pudding. The proof is in the rice pudding. The proof is in the chocolate pudding. The proof is in the edgeless pudding. I don't have edges. I don't think it's a trend yet in the hair community or the natural hair community yet. But you know what? Hold on to your wigs. Because it might be, it just might, could be. So I saw this video done by this lovely gentleman here. Listen, I was cracking up. I was dying. I saw that one first. And then from there, they just kept being recommended and I couldn't tell if this is a thing that's happening now. I wouldn't say it's a trend now, but don't put it past us because we can do anything we put our minds to. If I permed my edges, maybe, just maybe, I can be sitting up there in the sky with Chris breezy, breezing in the breeze with breeze, breezing and breezing in and breezing out.
People were running healthcare sectors scattered.
Father?
Healthcare sectors scattered. Healthcare sectors scattered.
This is going to be an unpopular / popular opinion, something that we all know but we didn't want to speak about. This is going to be the Boston Tea Party because tea is going to be spilt in mass quantities, okay? People have been doing this forever. Latoya, Ihechi, your friend Rebecca, your friend Dijonay, your friend Abisola, Abasiekeme, they've all been doing it. We've all been doing it. I can remember when I was younger, my sister actually was perming her edges at one period of time because, well, she had locks, so her hair was natural because they were locks. But like the front of her hair, she liked to gel down and do cool styles. She permed her edges. Spoiler alert, I'm about to drag my own self by my own edgelessness. Even edgeless me. Even edgeless me.
Come and behold.
It was, I believe it was in 8th grade. My sister was doing all these like cool things with her edges. You know when people use well, people still use a toothbrush to do baby hairs, but like people would actually put more designs in it. Like, I wish I could find a picture, but I used to like make it look like my edges were like cut just by using gel and stuff like that. But it wouldn't work on my hair because I have the type of hair that does not respond well to gel. It does not respond to edge control. My edgeless self was using just for me to perm my edges so that I could do the cool styles. This is a thing that's been going on since time immemorial. Stop lying. Stop big lying. Don't little lie, but definitely don't big lie. Like, it's crazy. I think about it. Back then, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, I was the queen of cornrows. I would come up with the most elaborate designs that I could think of, draw them out on paper, give them to my mom, and she would be like, okay, I can do this. Okay, you're tripping. Nah, I can't do that. But the ones that she could do, she would do them on my hair, and then I'd have to like get my edges to match the cool style. So I would have like slashes here using gel and doing all these weird things. That's what I did at one point in time. Wow. We thank God. We thank God that we don't look like what we've been through. 6th, 7th, and 8th grade I did braid my hair, but 8th grade was the year that I experimented with perming my edges because that's when my sister was doing it when she was in high school. She went to LaGuardia High School. She was doing bits and I was like, I want to be like my sister. I want my edges to do bits. And I did it for a while. Not a while, sorry, for like a couple months, I think. And then I stopped because like everything, I am low maintenance. I am lazy when it comes to my natural hair in terms of like, I love buns. I love protective styles. Perming my edges, I just couldn't keep up with. Like when I think about it, my hair was the texture that it is. And then my edges looked like they belonged to a whole different human. They looked like they were each sold separately. They looked like they belonged in a different mall, but in a different country, if you get what I mean. Like, my hair looked like I was on one continent, and my edges looked like they were definitely, probably, yep, in another continent, different country, different whole continent. I'm just taking a moment to think about that. The fact that my edges was definitely giving European vibes. It was definitely giving Malaysian. It was definitely giving Filipino. And my hair was giving very much so 100% Nigerian. Very much so Bantu people. Very much so Zim for life, Zimbabwe. You know what I mean? So I'm just taking a moment to think about that, to let that process. I don't know how I was looking. Probably crazy, probably like a duck. Listen, that was a confession. You heard it here first. I did what I did, so come butt me. Nah, come butt me. No, because you have a problem with that, yeah? You have a problem with that. Come butt me, yeah? Come butt me. Because when I was in ends, yeah? And I'm from Peckham, yeah? And we was doing bits, yeah? So come butt me. Come butt me. You English people, you guys have the, like, cutest slang for fighting I've ever heard. And if you know me, I don't engage in fisticuffs because I don't believe I would win. But buck me, I feel like I could win in that. Just to say, like, I have no problem with people perming their edges. Like I said, I've done it. Now, if you're a person that cared about your edges looking a certain way, I can see how putting, what's it called, edge control in your hair for 30 days, at least a month, and not being able to really wash it out, you know, would cause a lot of buildup. So I can see why maybe putting perm on your edges might make it easier. But I'm like, even if your edges are permed, in order to get the certain swoop and the shape that you need, you're still gonna have to use product. So either way, you're gonna have this buildup. Point is, if you're putting stuff on your edges, make sure to wash it off as often as you can, because it's going to cause buildup and it might cause clogging. And you could be losing more edges than you're gaining. And as a person that is part of the edgeless community, hashtag edgeless, naturally, it's fun on this side of the fence. I mean, it is fun. People that have edges, I feel you. The grass is greener on the other side, but the water bill is probably more expensive. But if you don't want to join us involuntarily by using something on your edges every day and not washing it off, then just take care. Bachakwanya, be careful. Be careful, I'm telling you. That is the end of this video. Now, tell me what you guys want me to conquer next, bro. Like, let me know, yo. Like, you know, I might do a wash and go. If I get enough comments on this video and likes and stuff, I might do a washing. I might. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check me out on Instagram. You had a good time here, you're gonna have a heck of a time over there, because we have fun on Instagram. Follow me there for some pretty basic pictures, to be honest. Mediocrity at its finest. But you know what? At least I'm honest, because honesty is key. Okay, but yeah, follow me on there. I have a Poshmark if you're interested in the looks that I'm serving. I do sell some clothes, some waist beads, everything hondier, so check me out hondier for the tins. Anyway, love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.